Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find fuses relays for the radiator fan, cooling fan on GMC Sierra right here guys, 2014 through 2018 model. Stay with us, we'll be working some hidden fuse boxes. We'll share information that most people don't know about guys. If you need to buy replacement parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll share the information in the description of the video below if you need to get something, and you can see where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So the fuses relays for the radiator fan, also known as cooling fan, where we can find them, we will demonstrate on this generation GMC Sierra here. By the way guys, you have many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know they exist. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's known as GMC Sierra fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it can save you quite a bit of money. We'll be working in two different fuse boxes. The first one, we need to open the hood. Under the hood guys, the main fuse box is on the driver's side. You see, this is the brake fluid reservoir, next to it is the fuse box. Here, open that cover and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. This will be a fuse box for 2018 model. If you have a 2014 through 17, we'll explain in a second, things may differ a little bit. But guys, what we need to check here now. First, we need to check fuse number 12, fuse number 13. Very important fuses guys. Okay, these two fuses will need to be checked. Okay, 12 and 13. Then you need to check fuse number 42. We're talking about that fuse right here. Check that one too. Now, we'll check something else as well. We need to check a relay guys, 71. Okay, now some of you may or may not have this one, but okay, 42, excuse me, my bad. 42 is that fuse right here. I just made a mistake. And relay 71, okay, will be right here. If you have a 2014 through 17, you need to check 12 and 13 fuse, 42, and you may have that relay, but it will be under number 72 now. Then you need to open the hood again. When you open the hood, here you have a hidden fuse box on top of the car battery on the positive terminal. That's what it looks like. That's a positive battery terminal. That's a top view of it. You see here you have up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fuses. If you have problems with the cooling fan, check these fuses too guys as well. But those are the main thing that you need to check for the radiator fan on GMC Sierra. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.